I'm Patrick Bailey with Whiteboard Coder. Today is December 23rd, 2023, and in this video I'm going to be replacing the upper middle rear brake light on my 2000 Toyota Sienna. Okay, before we get into the actual repair, the real reason you probably came here is which bulbs actually work in this light. So these are the bulbs I bought. You can see them on Amazon. I have an affiliate link in here. They're SYLVANIA 921 long life miniature bulb, and they seem to work just fine in this. So there you go. It's in the show notes. With that, we'll go do the real... Okay, so the bulb burned down in here. I already removed it, but let's get it replaced here. So this is pretty easy. Just got to take out these. Just two screws here. And this comes out. You got to wiggle a little bit, but it comes out. I've already pulled the old one out, so you can see it's empty right there. So we'll stick the new one in, and that's what we got, the 921 long life SYLVANIA, whatever. So we'll take all these guys out. They kind of got a little funny end there. And we will just stick it in, just right in, easy peasy. Stick her back in. Then let's go test it, make sure it actually turns on. That came on? All right. Well, there you go. Easy peasy. It's one of those things, go check your brake lights every so often, because you don't pay attention to them in one, you lose one or you lose one. Not the end of the world, but that may have been off for years and I kind of feel bad about it. So anyway, easy fix. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a like. To subscribe, just click the subscribe button. Also, you can follow me on Twitter under the handle @whiteboardcoder.com. View any code I may have thrown up as a gist at GitHub under the username PatmanDenver, or check out my blog site at whiteboardcoder.com.